So I'm Thomas Monjalon. I work on DPDK on my free time. And I get a salary from an AI company to work on DPDK, by the way. So first of all, I remember someone this morning saying his preferred words are thank you. So indeed, that's very important. So first of all, thank you all the speakers for the very nice talks. Thank you to all who asked questions. Thank you for everybody attending. And of course, thank you to the staff here in the room, Linux Foundation, etc. Thank you. Summary of this day. It was great. We see that there is a lot of work in DPDK and more work in future. That's the good news. Most important, maybe today, the goodies. So again, thank you, Linux Foundation. I really like the T-shirt. I hope everybody like it. Do you like the T-shirt? Yeah? Thank you. Did you notice that you can find some stickers in the entrance or when you ask question here? So please put the stickers on your laptop. That's good promotion. Or put it in your office so you will never forget that you must contribute to DPDK. Never forget. I keep an eye on you. So we will ask, what is contributing, Thomas? That's simple. You can just run DPDK, and then if everything is working well, just write a message on Slack. Oh, everything is working well. I receive this kind of message every day. No, I'm lying. Or if there are some issues, you report it. We have Bugzilla. If you are a bit bored when testing, you can open the mailing list and discuss with other people asking questions or reviewing their patches, etc. You are also welcome to improve the documentation, of course. We really lack some resource here. Documentation is very important. We lack also people cleaning some old code. We have a lot of old code. Now DPDK becomes quite old, and we can always make it better. So don't hesitate. And if you are really motivated, become a maintainer. You are welcome, more than welcome. We are hiring. Good news. So, you paid T-shirt and stickers. Who was the question? Obvious. Okay, I will start joking, and after we will have some serious discussion about the Flow API, which is also known as RT Flow. We are lucky enough to have the RT Flow maintainer here. Ori, you will lead this session. It's an open stage. It's not recorded, so everybody can come and explain their problem or ask how to improve it. And there is one hot topic this year. We want to understand how to integrate with P4. So let's discuss just after. And later today, we will have a dinner all together. It will be a great opportunity to connect, to discuss. I hope we'll have great discussions there and maybe some beers. It's called Brewdog. I don't know how to pronounce it. It seems they have some famous beers. So let's try. If you want to get here, I don't know why you cannot take the first bridge. Maybe it's too short, or you can try to swim or follow the map. There are some maps like this as a paper at the reception. So you'll find your way. Anyway, it's Brewdog. You can try with your GPS. And that's it. Thank you again.